How many environmental leaders are named as 2024 Champions of the Earth? 6. Option C. The Champions of the Earth Award is the UN's highest environmental honor. The awardees are Sonia Guajajara, who is honored in the Policy Leadership category, Emmy Boers Cordalis, and Gabriel Pon are honored in the Inspiration and Action category. Lou Key is honored in the Science and Innovation category. Madhav Gadgil is honored as the laureate in the Lifetime Achievement category. The Sekem Initiative in Egypt is honored in the Entrepreneurial Vision category. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Georgia? Mr. Abhay Kumar, option A. Georgia, it's a transcontinental country in Eastern Europe and West Asia. Its capital is Tbilisi. Official language is Georgian. It lies in continent Europe and Asia. Its president is Salome Zaurabichvili, who has won the men's singles title of BWF Super 100 Guwahati Masters 2024. Satish Karunakaran, option C. In men's singles, Satish Karunakaran is the winner. He is of India. In women's singles, Kai Yan Yan of China is the winner. Chia Viji and Lui Sheng Hao won the men's doubles title. They are of Malaysia. Ashwini Ponappa and Tanisha Krasto of India won the women's doubles title, and in mixed doubles category, Zhang Han Yu and Bao Li Jing of China are the winners. Who has become the 18th World Chess Champion? D. Gukesh, option D. He has become the world's youngest chess champion. Before Gukesh, Russian legend Garry Kasparov was the youngest to become world champion at the age of 22 in 1985. Vishwanathan Anand was the first grandmaster and world champion from India who had won the title in 2007 and held it until 2013, winning 4 times. Who is the author of the book Dalai Lama Secret to Happiness at the prestigious Library of Tibetan Works and Archives? Dr. Dinesh Shahara, option A. Dr. Dinesh Shahara launched the book in Dharmshala. When is the National Energy Conservation Day observed every year? 14 December, option B. You may watch the full video on National Energy Conservation Day. The link is in the description. The Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav is celebrated annually on 11 December to commemorate the birth anniversary of the esteemed Tamil poet, writer, journalist, and eminent freedom fighter Sri Subramaniam Bharati, popularly known as Mahakavi Bharati. Human Rights Day is observed annually on 10 December, and the theme of 2024 was Our Rights, Our Future, Right Now. Also, the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel is observed annually on 10 December. Who has been announced as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for November 2024? Haris Rauf, option C. England batter Danny White-Hodge became the ICC Women's Player of the Month for November 2024. Who has become the brand ambassador for Cash Free Payments Move Fast campaign? Rajkumar Rao, option D. Cash Free Payments is a homegrown payments and API banking platform which has named Bollywood actor Rajkumar Rao as its brand ambassador. As per the India Skills Report 2025, what percent of Indian graduates are expected to be globally employable in 2025? 55%, option A. It is an increase from 51.2% in 2024. The report prepared by industry body Confederation of Indian Industries in collaboration with VBox and All India Council for Technical Education The report highlights that management graduates lead in employability at 78%, followed by engineering, MCA, and then science graduates. Which country has won the 20th Asian Women's Handball Championship? Japan. Option B. Japan has won their second ever championship title by defeating South Korea in the final match held in New Delhi. South Korea has won the title 16 times. Which new stealth frigate has been commissioned into Indian Navy recently? INS Tushil. Option D. In December 2024, stealth-guided missile frigate INS Tushil was commissioned into the Indian Navy at Kaliningrad of Russia. INS Tushil is an upgraded Kriva 3 class frigate of Project 1135.6 Talwar class. It is the seventh in the series after three Talwar class and three Tegh class frigates. A frigate is a versatile warship used for escorting, patrolling, and combat operations, crucial in modern navies. Who has been named the recipient of the Directors Guild of America 2025 Lifetime Achievement Award? Ang Lee. Option A. Ang Lee Obius is a Taiwanese filmmaker. He will be honored with the DGA's 2025 Lifetime Achievement Award on 8 February 2025 at the 77th Annual DGA Awards. Who has become the Time magazine's Person of the Year? Donald Trump. Option C. Time magazine has named President-elect Donald Trump as its Person of the Year for 2024, marking his second recognition after 2016. S.M. Krishna has passed away recently. He was the former Chief Minister of which state? Karnataka. Option B. Former Puducherry Chief Minister M.D.R. Ramachandran also passed away on 8 December 2024. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman in 2024? Suryabala. Option B. Kaun Desh Ko Vasi, Venu Ki Diary by Suryabala, a well-known Hindi writer, has been selected for the 34th Vyas Samman 2024. This novel was published in 2018. The Vyas Samman is a literary award in India, first awarded in 1991. It is awarded annually by the KK Birla Foundation and includes a cash payout of 4 lakh rupees. To be eligible for the award, the literary work must be in Hindi language and have been published in the past 10 years. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.